Hello everyone. We are Team The Leads, Team ID 57733, and we are presenting our project EduIntel, an AI-based intelligent data retrieval system developed for higher education department under the Ministry of Education. Our solution address problem statement ID 25254, which focus on automating the retrieval of information from large databases of rules, regulations, policies, and schemes in ensuring faster and more accurate decision making. The current system of retrieving information in the higher education department is completely manual. Data related to schemes, regulations, and policies is scattered across multiple portals and formats. This makes it time consuming, inefficient, and dependent on the expertise of individual officials. As a result, decision making is delayed, coordination becomes difficult, and authentic insights are hard to obtain. Hence, there is an urgent need for a smart, unified AI system to automate and streamline this retrieval process. Our proposed solution, EduIntel, is a retrieval augmented generation, which is RAG, based on AI tool. It converts unstructured government documents like PDFs of rules, project, and circulars into a searchable knowledge base using vector embeddings. Officials can ask questions either using keywords or natural language, and EduIntel retrieves the most relevant information that provide a concise and context-aware summary. The system also includes auto summarization, data visualization, and source transparency, meaning the official can also see the extract document from which the information was delivered. EduIntel ensures authenticity and trust through a data congestion and approval flow where only verified and approved documents are added to the knowledge base. The LLM model powered by RAG architecture generates contextual insight instead of generic text. Unique features such as auto summarization, visualization, role based access control, and audit logs make EduIntel transparent, secure, and easy to govern. This ensures that decision makers not only get accurate answer but also understand the complete context and source of information. Our technical workflow is the backbone of EduIntel. Step 1. All government documents are uploaded to a cloud repository such as Amazon S3. Step 2. The system then pre-process and chunk these files into smaller sections. Step 3. Using model like OpenAPI embeddings or BERT, each chunk is transformed into a vector representation and stored in a vector database such as FAIS or ChromaDB. Step 4. When a user querying the system, EduIntel performs a semantic search to retrieve the most relevant chunk and passes them to the LLM through LangChain from contextual generation. Step 5. The result is presented in a React.js based chat interface along with the document source and visual analytics. This workflow ensures very response is accurate, explainable, and trackable. Talking about the tools and technology which are used in the system, for front end, we have used React.js, Tailwind, Farmer Motion for interactive chat UI. For backend, we have used Node.js with Express and Fast API to handle data pipelines. For AI, we have used LangChain, Grok API, and further more advanced model of RAG implementation. For database, we have used MongoDB for metadata and ChromaDB for semantic search. And talking about the cloud infrastructure, we have used Amazon S3 for scalable data storage. And for security, we have used RBAC, data encryption, and audit logs, ensuring compliance and governance integrity. EduIntel is built upon a proven AI/ML architectures, ensuring high feasibility and low development risk. It is designed for long-term scalability using modular RAG components, cloud hosting, and vector storage system with role-based access control. data encryption, and audit logs, it ensures data privacy and accountability for every query. Hence, EduIntel is not just technically feasible, it is a viable and sustainable AI solution for future government operations. When compared with the current manual system, EduIntel brings a revolutionary improvement. What once took hours can now be done in seconds. Decision making becomes data driven and transparent. The dependency on individual expertise is eliminated. In short, EduIntel empowers the higher education department to move from manual document analysis to smart AI powered governments. Talking about the research and references, our system is based on the latest research in RAG and vector database search as proposed by Lewis at and implemented using PES and Chroma. EduIntel can break down even 60 pages policies document into 6,000 chunks for highly accurate retrieval and summarization. Auto summarization and visualization and audit logs. EduIntel stands for intelligent, accountable, and data driven governments. This was our PPT. Thank you for watching. Now let us move to the live demo website of our working portal. Welcome to EduIntel, a platform designed to revolutionize policy access with artificial intelligence. Our challenges lies in the manual and inefficient retrieval of information from the vast database of higher education, covering regularization, policies, schemes, and rules. This transitional process relies heavily on human effort, often slowing down critical decision making and increasing the risk of oversight. EduIntel addressed this problem through an AI-powered retrieval and governance system. The homepage clearly reflects our mission of smart policy management and insight generation, where data becomes not just accessible, but actionable also. Now let us explore the registration portal. From here, we can register our form by giving the full name and the personal details with a valid ID proof to be an authentic user. Let us now explore how EduIntel transform workflow from every user level from staff to director. We can log in from here and we can log in as staff. For the staff member or official working on the ground, the EduIntel assistant provides the most direct solution to the retrieval challenge. Here is the interface of the intentionally minimal focused around a single conversational prompt. How can I help you today? Ask me about policy reports and data analytics. From here, we can ask anything according to the policy, the rules, and it can generate the solution very precisely. Also, we have here the search chat option, chat history option, and a profile section where user can edit their profile, get help and support, and also can log out directly. Let us explore the working of the chatbot. Here we are asking about the AICTE, that it is given the answer from the PDF that we have uploaded in the code of the actual AICTE Act. If we ask about the education from the given data, it has given the relevant answer. At the same time, if we ask who is Virat Kohli, it gives an answer that shows I don't know. The given context does not mention Virat Kohli. It means it is working properly. If we ask something beyond the data that we have given, it will not reflect on the chatbots. Now we will move to the administration portal. The admin dashboard forms the operational backbone of EduIntel, ensuring data authenticity, structured ingestion, and secure access control. On the sidebar, we have modules like the search chat, chat history, and add policies. When a new regulation, scheme, or project is introduced, the admin navigates to add policy. Here they upload the document, provide metadata such as policy, category, date, and keywords, and so on. This step ensures the document is immediately indexed and integrated into the AI database, making it available for future queries. Through this, EduIntel continuous involves expanding its repository of verified, searchable knowledge resources. Now let us move to the director mode. Now we are logging as the director. At the director level, EduIntel transforms data into strategic intelligence. This dashboard is not just about information retrieval, it is about monitoring performance, uses, and government's health across the entire system. Overview matrices, key figures such as total AI queries and policy approved give a clear picture of platform adoption and efficiency. Auditability, the recent AI interaction section lists what types of queries officials are running, promoting transparency and informed oversight. The status column highlight queries marked as failed or in progress, allowing the director to take proactive action. Next is the activity feed. The policy activity log at the bottom tracks every event from AI ethics policy approved to faculty guideline updated, ensuring end-to-end trackability. If we talk about the dashboard section, we can add new chat, we can search chat, we can clearly see the history of the chat, add policy as the administration, and we can either approve or reject any policy. The approve or reject screen govern both user access and policy lifecycle control. Under pending members, the admin manage who can access the system, ensuring the role-based security. Under pending policies, new or updated policy documents await officially sanction before becoming publicly accessible. These two-tiered workflow preserve data integrity, accountability, and how information flows across the department. Together, these tools empower leadership with real-time insight, accountability, and actionable governance data. In conclusion, EduIntel redefines how the Department of Higher Education access and manage information. By combining AI-based retrieval, structured governance, workflow, and multi-level across control, it transforms complex manual processes in seamless, transparent, and intelligent system. From staff to director, EduIntel ensured that every decision is faster, data-driven, and more reliable. Thank you for watching our presentation. We are Team The Leads.